Hi friends, so today we're going to be unboxing another Amazon package, and let's see what would be the best way to open this. I feel like I should have opened this the other way. That's okay. You live and you learn. Trial and error. And I'm also trying to be discreet about my address, so I have to also map that out in a way that I can open this box up. Here it is, finally. We've got the box open. We've got this stuff in there. And this one is actually a lot of snacks, so we don't really have to really go through this one, but we'll go through it. And it's funny because I ordered this for myself, but it says a gift for you, but it was not a gift because I actually ordered it myself. Huh, interesting. Okay, well, I just want to know what I ordered. What I ordered are these organic watermelon strawberry juices. Fun fact, I like juice. And then I ordered these Oikos protein shakes, 30 grams of protein. I need something that has a lot of protein and is easy to drink. It's almost Halloween time, so I got some candy. This one is the fun size Milky Way M&Ms with peanuts, Snickers, and fun size. So that'll be to give out. And then last but not least, I have my coffee. So if you guys want to know what kind of coffee I like to drink, it's this one. It's the Victor Allen's coffee. And I just get, this one comes with, how many does this come with? I thought it had that number. Okay. It comes with 80 cups. It's medium roast, and it's my favorite. So that's what was in this box. Stay tuned for the next box. Bye.